Did you know that a sweet potato is not a potato? It's true. They are both root vegetables, but they belong to different plant families. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This makes them a great addition to any diet. So, are sweet potatoes healthy? Let's dive in and find out. Keep reading to learn a special tip for enjoying this versatile vegetable. Sweet potatoes come in a variety of colors, each offering unique nutritional benefits and flavors. Orange, white, and purple are the most common varieties you'll find in markets and stores. Orange sweet potatoes are highest in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. 1 cup of cooked sweet potato provides over 700% of your daily vitamin A needs, making it an excellent addition to your diet. It also offers 65% of your daily vitamin C needs, which is crucial for the growth and repair of tissues in your body. Additionally, sweet potatoes provide 52% of your daily manganese needs, a mineral important for bone health and metabolism. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Fiber is important for digestive health, helping to prevent constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Enjoy sweet potatoes as a versatile and nutritious addition to your meals. The nutrients in sweet potatoes offer numerous health benefits. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall well-being. Vitamin A promotes good vision. This vital nutrient is crucial for maintaining healthy eyesight and can help prevent conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. It also supports a healthy immune system. By boosting your body's defenses, vitamin A helps you fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. This powerful nutrient helps to protect your cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage. They play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall cellular health. This helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods like sweet potatoes can lower the chances of developing heart disease, cancer, and other long-term health issues. The fiber in sweet potatoes aids in weight management. Dietary fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help regulate your appetite. It helps you feel full and satisfied after eating. This can prevent overeating. By promoting a sense of fullness, fiber can assist in weight control and support a balanced diet. Some studies suggest that sweet potatoes may improve blood sugar control. Their low glycemic index means they release sugar slowly into the bloodstream. This is potentially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. Including sweet potatoes in a balanced diet can help manage blood sugar levels and provide steady energy throughout the day. Section 4. A word of caution. Sweet potatoes are a healthy food for most people. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Sweet potatoes are high in potassium. People with kidney problems need to limit their potassium intake. Sweet potatoes can cause gas and bloating in some individuals. If you experience these symptoms, eat them in moderation. Section 5. Your sweet potato secret weapon. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to any meal. Ready for a delicious and easy way to enjoy sweet potatoes? Try roasting them. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and creates a delightful texture. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This high temperature ensures that the sweet potatoes will cook evenly and develop a nice, crispy exterior. Wash and scrub sweet potatoes thoroughly to remove any dirt. It's important to clean them well, especially if you plan to leave the skins on for extra fiber and nutrients. Then, chop them into cubes or wedges. The size of the pieces can affect the cooking time, so try to keep them uniform for even roasting. Toss the sweet potato pieces with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. The olive oil helps them crisp up in the oven, while the salt and pepper enhance their natural flavors. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. This ensures that each piece has enough space to roast properly and get that perfect golden brown color. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes, or until tender. You can check for doneness by piercing them with a fork. They should be soft and slightly caramelized. Roasted sweet potatoes are a delicious and versatile side dish. They pair well with a variety of main courses, from roasted chicken to grilled fish. Experiment with different seasonings to create your own variations. Try adding cinnamon and nutmeg for a sweet twist, or paprika and garlic powder for a savory kick. The possibilities are endless.